Okay guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today we'll be discussing a quadratic equation. The last video I did was when b was equal to 0, but today talking about when c equals 0. And you know the normal terms for qualifying quadratic equation can be written as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. But in these terms, we have that when c equals 0. So let's say that c equals 0. Then we substitute for the value of c equals 0 into the equation by saying ax squared plus bx plus 0 equals 0, because we have that c equals 0. So now that c equals 0, you can write this equation as ax squared plus bx equals 0. So this is the new equation for when c is equals 0. So you can compare it with the one we have here. They are alike. So let's solve this question who is given on the board. So by saying solution, so x squared minus 2x equals 0. The next thing we do is to factorize. Bring out your s, because s is common in both sides. To factorize, x is common, bring out your s. S into s squared is x, minus x into minus 2x is minus 2 equals 0. So we are not done yet. So let's bring it to this side by saying x minus 2 equals 0. So the next step we take is to equate this s equals 0 and s minus 2 equals 0 by saying x equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. So we can hereby say that x equals 0 or s equals plus 2, because when this minus 2 cross over, it becomes plus 2. So this is the possible answer for this question 1. So let's take question 2. Okay guys, this is question 2. We are asked to solve this given equation, and as you can see previously, the question number 1 and number 2 are alike, but the difference is that the variables, the numbers are changed. So we can say that solution 2f squared plus 3f equals 0. As usual in question 1, we factorize. So factorize f is common in both sides, so bring out your f into f squared will give us 2f plus f into 3f will give us 3 equals 0. So let's bring this question to this side. I say f bracket 2f plus 3 equals 0. So the next step we take is to equate it by differentiating it by saying that f equals 0 or 2f plus 3 equals 0. So we say that these two f, let's make f to stand on its own by saying 2f plus 3 equals 0. So bring it to this side by saying 2f equals minus 3. So divide both sides by 2. So your f equals minus 3 over 2, or your f equals 0. So this is the answer to question 2. Let's take question 3. Okay guys, this question 3. So we have this question as 5m squared equals 10m. So let's solve by saying solution. But before we solve, we have to rearrange the question. So we can take this 10m inside the equation by saying 5m squared minus 10m equals 0. Because we have plus sign here, and whenever a sign comes an equality sign, it must change. So the next step we take is to factorize, because m is common in both sides. 5 is common, m is also common. So bring 5m into 5m squared. We have m left minus 5m into 10m. We have 2 left, because this m cancel this m, and 5 going to 10 is 2 equals 0. Then bring the question to this side. So it will be 5m bracket m minus 2 equals 0. So the next step we take is to equate it by saying 5m equals 0 or m minus 2 equals 0. So let's solve the first one by saying 5m equals 0. Divide both sides by 5. 5 cancel out. Your m equals 0 over 5, which will be equals to 0. For this one, m equals to minus 2. M equals to minus 2 equals 0. You bring this to this way by saying that m equals plus 2. So answer this question is that m equals 0 or m equals plus 2. So this is the answer to this question 3. Let's take question 4. So this question 4. But in this question 4, we are not given the equation, we are given a note. So for you to have to interpret the sentence to derive the equation. So first of all, we have solution. We have that find the positive number n. So the number is equals to n such that 3 is square. That means 3 is square means 3n square. And the next statement is square is equals 12 times the number is equals 12. The number is n, so 12. So it's 12 times the number. So we have derived the equation from the statement or sentence be given above. So let's take this 12 and inside the equation by saying 3n squared minus 12 equals 0. The next thing we do is to factorize. What is common? So it's 3n squared minus 12n equals 0. As you can see, 3 and n are common. So say 3n brackets 3n into 3n going to 3n squared. We have n minus 3n equals going to 12n is 4 equals 0. Then you equate it by saying 3n equals 0 or n minus 4 equals 0. So let's solve for this one by saying 3n equals 0. Divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel out. 0 divided by 3 is 0. So n equals 0. We're not done. The next, n minus 4 equals 0. So bring this 4 this way by saying n equals plus 4. So our final answer is n equals 0 or plus 4. So this is the answer to question 4. So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel so you can when I upload new content on mathematics, and please don't forget to share this video. I love you, fans.
Hey there, subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon.